To use Afterpay on Shein, start by creating an account on both the Shein and Afterpay websites if you do not already have one. Once you have your accounts, go to the Shein website and begin shopping for the items you want to purchase. Add your desired items to your shopping cart and proceed to checkout. At checkout, select Afterpay as your payment method. You will be redirected to the Afterpay website where you will need to log into your account. If you are a new Afterpay user, you will need to create an account and provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and payment details. Afterpay will then prompt you to enter your payment details, including your credit or debit card information. Afterpay will split your purchase into 4 equal payments, due every 2 weeks. You will see the payment schedule and the amount of each payment before you confirm. Once you have confirmed your payment details, you will be redirected back to the Shein website where you can confirm your order. Afterpay will send you a confirmation email with the details of your payment schedule and the amount of each payment. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees. You can log into your Afterpay account to view your payment schedule and make payments online. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. Using Afterpay on Shein allows you to buy now and pay later, making it a convenient and flexible payment option. However, it is crucial to only spend what you can afford to pay back and to make your payments on time to avoid any additional fees. By following these steps, you can easily use Afterpay to make purchases on Shein and enjoy the flexibility of paying for your items over time.